We were in the same English class. Emily. Oh, Alex. Nice to see you here. I was quite surprised to meet you here. Do you like art? Of course. I usually visit the art gallery. That's great. Who's this girl? She's my little sister. Do we look the same? A little bit. Jamie, this is Alex. We were in the same English class. Nice to meet you, Jamie. Nice to meet you, too. We saw each other quite a long time ago, right? Since we finished the English course. True, because we have to go to work and everyone's busy. Do you still have my phone number? We can visit the art gallery together at the weekend. That's a great idea. Let's go together. It's so challenging to discipline kids these days. What's wrong, David? He looks sad. I don't know what to do with my son. What happened? Last night, we had some arguments about his behaviors and attitudes. Oh, I see. I told him many times not to use the phone too much, but he kept doing it. Well, it's so challenging to discipline kids these days. That's right. And we had many conflicts with each other, and I don't know how to resolve them. I don't think punishment or yelling at him is a good idea to teach the kids. What should I do? Children now tend to prefer gentleness and sharing. You can try to be friends with them to understand their psychology. Okay, I will try to do that. I'm quite satisfied with their work. Your group project is quite good. Thank you so much. We spent lots of time researching and discussing together. That's exactly what I want you to do. It's group work, so you need to discuss it together. How about Anna's group work? I see they faced lots of struggles during the process. Actually, I'm quite satisfied with their work. That's great. But I think just some of the members did the work. Why do you think so? I've read many essays from you, and I know the way you write. I can see that only Anna and Cindy worked, not others. I got it. When will you give us a general comment? In the next lesson. I'm reading the last one. Thank you. See you next week. Okay. Let's practice our dance. Time flies. 2 days left till our performance at the school competition. I'm so nervous right now. Why? Yesterday I saw another team in the next door class practicing, and they had a great performance. But what did they do in this competition? Both sing and dance. I thought about this idea, but our class doesn't have anyone who can sing well. And all members of our class agree to dance in this competition. I want to win this competition. In order to win, let's practice our dance. True. We are doing well, aren't we? Of course. We can do well the next few days. To bug someone. I will talk to our next-door neighbors. I can't stand them anymore. What happened? Don't you see how noisy they are every night? I have to go to sleep quite early, so I don't hear anything. I have to go to work late at night, and they are so noisy. It's hard to work and go to sleep. And you need to get up early in the morning. That's right. They've been bugging me all night. So you should ask them to do everything quietly. I wonder what they are doing at that time. They are young people. I think they stay up late. I see. Their plane is going to land soon. What time is it now? We've been waiting for Daisy and Alex for an hour. Their plane is going to land soon. Are you sure? Yeah, the airport staff said their flight was delayed for 30 minutes. Oh, okay. But I'm afraid that we can't come to the restaurant on time. What time did you reserve the table? 7 p.m., and now it's 6:30 and they haven't appeared yet. Just call the restaurant and change the time. I think they will assist us. Okay. Do you think 8 p.m. is okay? It's okay. That should be perfect. Okay, I will call them now. Can we pass by the grocery store? Jackson, can we pass by the grocery store? What do you want to buy? I want to buy some ingredients to cook dinner. Oh, will you cook today? Yeah, it's quite early now. It's just 6 o'clock. We will have dinner at 7:30 p.m. But you worked hard today. I think you shouldn't cook. Let's go to the restaurant and get something to eat. Sounds great. What do you like to eat? Up to you, but I want to go home and take a shower first. Sure. While you're taking a shower, I will find the restaurant. That's great. I think beefsteak is a great idea. Okay. We can sell this old couch online. Are you going to put this old couch in our new house? Of course. Although it's old, we can still use it well. No way. It doesn't match our tone in this living room. But I don't want to throw it. It's so wasteful. We can sell this old couch online. Can we? Sure. There are a lot of people who need it. It still works well. Sounds good. How to sell it? Just take pictures of it and post them in some groups with your information. If someone wants to buy, they will contact you. Okay. And we will use this amount of money to buy a new one. Right. It's much better. I got it. This new development is really interesting. It's such a long time since I last visited our hometown. It changed a lot. Because of the economic increase, our hometown was invested in and developed a lot. There used to be a field here, but now it's a park. Yes, there are so many elderly people and children coming here to play and walk every afternoon. This new development is really interesting. While you weren't here, so many things changed. Right, everything is different now. But do you like the hometown now or in the past? Now for sure, because there are more amenities for people. I agree with you. They can take care of themselves. Do your children stay at home by themselves? Of course, they're not young anymore. How old are they? My son is 16 years old and my daughter is 13 years old. Ah, they're grown up. They can take care of themselves. Right. I don't need to be nervous when I'm going out. My daughter is still too young. My wife needs to stay at home and take care of her. I understand. I used to be like that. But can your children cook themselves? Just some simple dishes. I've prepared all the ingredients for them. Oh. If they don't have time, they can order food to eat. They prefer that, I think.